Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel and let's grow this channel together. Alright, let's go. So this project is Mrs. greatest project you are seeing right now. One of my subscribers, yes, you heard it. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel and let's grow this channel together. Alright, let's go. So here's the windows we haven't faced it here, as you can see now. So here is it, the first floor and the second floor. Yeah, so the first floor is 15 windows and the second floor is, was it 13? Yeah, 13. So I think it is like 28 windows. Yeah, so here is it. So guys, please make sure you subscribe to that channel. Okay, alright, so what else? Just keep on watching and you see the magic there, the work that we did, the work that I did, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. So please keep on watching and please make sure you subscribe. Alright, okay, so guys, keep on watching. So please, here is the second floor. You see right now the second floor. And those people, they did a good job. The POP guys did a good job too. So guys, here is it. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Alright, okay, so please, as you can see right now, here is it. So this is the building inside right now, and here's the windows. KS50 window. This profile, this window, guy, I really love this profile, because it makes the way neat, the design is different, the quality is amazing. KS50, I recommend this profile. If you wanna do sliding windows, I just recommend this profile to any of you guys. I really love it, but the prices, high a little bit than the other profile, that one that I did a video on it, but this profile is very expensive than this one, but it makes the work neat, amazing. I really love it. So guys, here is it, the KS50 window. This one the person chose the gray color and reflective glass. It's amazing, the reflective glass. If you are outside you can't see through inside, but when you are inside you can see through outside. So it's amazing guys, it's amazing. So guys, here is it, the KS50 sliding window. Guys, you see, it's amazing, it's neat, quality, it's amazing. The person love it, the person love it, it's amazing. Okay, so here is it. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel. I really need that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and let's grow this channel together. Alright, so guys, here is it, here is it, here is it, here is it. So please make sure you contact me, any kind of sliding windows, any kind of glasswork, frameless, any kind of glass work. Please, you can contact me on this number guys. So please, here is it, or you just can comment and I will just get in touch with you. So guys, here is it, the sliding, the KS50 sliding. It's amazing. Here is it. So please, thank you for watching my video, and please, I really appreciate. Please subscribe to the channel and let's grow this channel together.